Hi everyone, I'm Lalabad. Welcome. Today I'm making ravioli. This is a fail video. You've read the description right. Yes, it's a fail. But at this point, I had high hopes. So the recipe is freshly grated Parmesan. And I believe it's half a cup. And the reason why this is a fail is, this is the first reason. Whole leaf spinach. Now you want to get chopped spinach, and then you want to chop up that spinach. You also want to drain it. I did drain it, I just didn't chop it up small enough. So that was my first fail. I added half the cup of grated Parmesan, and I'm adding a cup and a half of ricotta. And then 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And you'll need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The problem isn't the recipe, besides me not chopping up the spinach, just so you know. It was all me. It was the choices I made. I made bad choices. The recipe did specify that I needed chopped spinach, and that was me not paying attention and thinking that I can outsmart a recipe. It's not always a good idea to not go by the recipe. Okay, so I'm basically just rolling out the pasta to get a long, thin strip. I believe I have a video somewhere up. Look back in my catalog. You'll see how I do the pasta making process. I think I make noodles. I don't know. All right, second problem is that there were slits right in the middle of this pasta. Okay. But as you can see, I'm taking precautions. You know, I'm keeping it dry, or at least, you know, not sticky. Making sure there's flour. Cutting off the excess. I share with you this contraption that came with the pasta roller. It was actually packaged with the ravioli part of the pasta roller. And it is basically just, like I said, kind of fitting it. You roll it on the pasta and it takes off all the excess pasta, and it basically fits that pasta for the ravioli roller, if that makes any sense. I hope it does. But basically, you cut it, and then you try to find the middle. You fold the pasta and find the middle, and then you put it on the contraption. In a little bit, you're going to hear, I'm going to let you hear the whole of what's going on in the actual video. Right now, this is a voiceover, but in a little bit, you're going to see that I have to find the middle of the pasta, and then I load it up into the pasta or the ravioli maker, and then you can see my failure. And I'm not ashamed of it, because life is all about lessons, right? Yeah, okay. There I go. There's the middle, and I'm loading it. All right, enjoy the rest of the video. That was a fat fail. Okay. So we're not doing that. Oh. Okay, so that's not happening. We'll do it this way. I think I'm going to do this. I think I'm going to just like that. This is why I think it didn't work in that machine. It was because spinach is stringy, you know? So I think that's why it didn't work. I hope this does not open. God. Make sure I got it. Alright, so let's hope this works. I will definitely let you know. I did make some of these square and some of these, you see, these are going to break in the water, I already know, but you know what, I'm going to still use them. Hopefully this week. This is the aftermath. As you can see, my kitchen is a huge mess. So I'm going to let this dry, and then I'll be freezing these ravioli. So yeah. All right, everybody. I'm not giving up though. I'm not giving up. I'm gonna get this. It's fun. You know what? This is good. Like, I feel like life is about learning. So I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna make me some ravioli. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.